Let's solve this Olympiad equation quickly. It says 25 raised to power x is equal to 150, and we're going to solve for the value of x in this question. Now, first things first is that we can express 25 in its lowest index form. Take note, the lowest index form of these two numbers can be derived. Let's do that quickly. So we have 25 is equal to 5 raised to power 2. Okay, this is the lowest index form. For 150 on the other hand, we have 150 is equal to, let's go. So we have 3, we have 2, we have 5, and we have 5. 5 times 5 is 25 times 2, 50, 50 times 3, 150. This is now equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 squared. Now, let's go ahead and replace 25 and 150 with these in this equation that we have from the beginning. Now we have 5 squared, okay, raised to power what? X is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. Okay, now at this point we can say, let's open up this bracket. So we multiply 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 squared. Alright, at this point we can calculate the logarithm of both sides quickly. Alright, this is a very shortcut of doing this. So we have logarithm of this other side. So we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by the same 5 squared. Alright. Now, another thing I want you to take note of is when you're taking the logarithm, take the logarithm in the base of the number carrying the 5. The number carrying this 5 is, the number carrying the x rather is 5. So we take the logarithm in base 5 of both sides. Okay. The logarithm in base 5 of this, you multiply this power with the log. So we have 2x multiplied by logarithm in base 5 of 5 is equal to, on this side we have logarithm in base 5 of, so what we have here is now 2 becomes alone plus logarithm in base 5 of 3 alone plus logarithm in base 5 power 2 of 5. Okay, alright, so logarithm of 5 power 2 of in base 5 rather. Now let's move on from here. Logarithm base 5 of 5 is 1. 1 times 2x is 2x. This is equal to logarithm in base 5 of 2 plus logarithm in base 5 of 3 plus, the same thing here, multiply 2 times the log. So we have 2 times logarithm in base 5 of 5 is 1. So we have 2 here. Now say x here becomes equal to, dividing each term by 2, we have half multiplied by logarithm base 5 of 2 plus half multiplied by logarithm base 5 of 3 plus 1. So this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.